Welcome to Home Access Center. This session is designed to give you an introduction to some of the features available in Home Access Center. The specific features available to you are determined by your school district's policies. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the URL provided by your school district. When prompted, enter your username and password. If your school district allows online registration, use the Click Here link to register for a new account. The first page you see will be determined by your school district, but many choose to display the Week View page seen here. On this page, you can see your students' current schedule, course average, assignment scores, and attendance. When a teacher's email address is available, their name will appear as a link. Click the link to open your default email program and begin an email to the teacher. When a course average is visible, you can click the link to view the assignments and scores that make up the average. When you are finished viewing the assignments, simply click the Close button. The schedule that displays on the Week View page represents the courses meeting in that week. To view your students' full schedule, click the View Full Schedule button. Your student schedule for the entire school year will display. Back on the home page, let's take a look at the Calendar tab. When the calendar opens, a filters list will display. You may use the filters to view only assignments for a particular course. To slide the filters out of the way, click the filter icon. Now we have a better view of the calendar. The calendar may contain assignments and events posted by your school district's teachers and activity advisors. Notice the day, week, and month buttons on the top right of the page. You may use these buttons to narrow the amount of information displayed. If your school district has added links to Home Access Center, the School Links tab will display. Click on the link to navigate to a different website. Now let's take a look at the attendance available. A calendar will display. If an attendance code has been entered for your student, the day will be highlighted. A legend is available at the bottom of the page. Hold your mouse over the date to see the specific codes entered. If configured by your school district, an alert option will appear at the top of the page. Check the box to receive email alerts when attendance is entered for your student. You may also limit the attendance codes that will trigger an alert. Note that you must have a current email address on file to receive alerts from your school district. Now let's take a look at the classes options. Here you can see all of your students' courses and assignments for the current grading period. Notice the view options at the top. Here you may switch your view to a different report card run or change the order by option from the course to date due. Be sure to click the Refresh View button after selecting your options. The Collapse All button allows you to see a consolidated view of your students' courses. The Full View button expands the view for each course so that you may view how a student's average is calculated. Here, for example, we can see the category averages for the course. When it's time to enter course requests for the next school year, your school district may choose to make the request page available. To add a request, click the Edit button to the right of the page. Then select the course or courses to request and click the Save button. Now let's take a look at the options on the Grades tab. If your school district issues progress reports, the IPR tab will be available. Here you may view the latest grades and comments posted by your students' teachers. On the Report Card tab, you may view your students' latest report card records. Keep in mind that this is sample data, and the marks and comments may be different than those issued by your school district. If your school district chooses to make the Transcript tab available, here you will be able to view your students' courses and grades for multiple school years. On the Student Support tab, discipline information may be available. Clicking on the incident link will bring you to a page where you may review any information reported to your local police department. The Incident Role link will allow you to view any disciplinary action taken by your school district. On the Registration tab, you will be able to view basic demographic information about your student. Your school district may choose to allow you to edit certain areas of this page, including the emergency and contact information. To receive email alerts from Home Access Center, you must have a valid email address stored with your school district. To update your email address, click the Edit link to the right of your contact information. Enter your current email address and then push Save. Your school district determines which email alerts will be available to you. To manage all of your alerts, click on the My Alerts option underneath your name at the top right of the page. Here you can manage all of your alerts on one easy access page. If your school district allows you to change your password, you may do so using the My Account option. Here you may update your password and modify your challenge questions. When you have finished viewing your students' information, be sure to log off and close your browser. We hope you enjoy Home Access Center. If you have any questions about the features and options available to you, please contact your school district.